You need to get like.
Right, it's filming now.
Top layer. I'll see that later.
Look, this guy's hood up. Yo, film this, and I'll start psyching him up. Like, come on, baby, come on.
He's going to eat the onion.
I'll get this carrier bag up.
Get zooms right in. Come on, come on, Phil. Get a bit of the steak there, the money.
I've got zooms right in.
10 queen heads down there. It's a lot of queen heads.
It's a lot of sterling.
Fucking can.
You watching?
How are you feeling about this, Phil? Apprehensive?
You watching this? He's gonna eat a fucking
Yeah. That's gonna be fucking easy.
Here's the preparation. That's a nice onion.
Oh, fucking savage.
Stick that in your trap.
Come on, face the camera. We don't want no camera trickery. To see that this is real. David Blaine shit this.
All on camera.
He's got the onion drill. That's normal in the first stages of eating an onion.
He's the camera.
Come on, pull down. Get a fucking baby.
Oh, that's awesome.
Just look at the queen egg. Look at the queen egg.
You have
That's some petty money for you, boy.
You have to eat it all.
Forget the money.
This thing's right.
Just think of that last.
Down it. Down in one. Stand the colour.
Oh yes, that's a lovely bite. That's a lovely bite.
He's making a fucking dent in that onion now.
He's making a meal of it.
Yeah, watch this. I'll barge him out the way. Onion bargey. Like laughing.
Oh, it's all looking gravy, baby.
Come on. Onion gravy. Fucking burn him, I know. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm
Brings a tear to my eye.
Come on,
It's going to bring a tear to his ass in the morning.
He'll be dribbling out of his ass.
Phil. Treat it like an apple.
Have a drink.
Treat it like an apple.
Oh, no, you're not drinking out of my beer.
Make it juicy, bite.
Yeah, you can.